All right, let's talk about how you can multiply numbers in Excel. So this is actually pretty simple and straightforward, even if you don't have a lot of experience with Excel. So here we just have a basic table of data. We have the price of maybe say a product we sell at a store and then the quantity that we've sold. So what we want to do is we want to multiply the price by the quantity to get the total. Now we could obviously do this in our head. 10 times 2 would be 20, but then we get to like 1294 times 103, harder to do in your head. I couldn't do it. So basically, Excel can do all that for you, and it's pretty simple. Basically, what you're going to want to do is click on the cell or the area you want that total to be. So in this case, it's right here. So then you'll hit equals, and that just indicates to Excel that you're about to start like a formula or something like that. And so what you'll do is then select the price, which is cell B4, and then on your keyboard, you'll hit the times key or the shift. It's normally on the 8 key, but you want this little asterisk. In Excel, this little asterisk is the multiplication symbol. And then you'll go ahead and hit C4, which is right here by the quantity. So basically, this is the formula saying that you're taking 10 times 2, and you can see that B4, which is blue, C4, which is red. And then all you do is hit the enter key on your keyboard, and that will give you the total, and that will just multiply it across. Now, Excel is pretty cool because you don't have to keep doing that for each one of these cells. What you can do is click on the cell where you entered the formula, and then in the bottom right corner of this cell, you'll see this little square there. Hover over that square till you get this dark plus sign. So you see here's kind of the white plus sign, you'll get this dark plus sign, and you can double click that square and it will drag that formula all the way down. And we can see that if we click on each of these cells, we can see that it's just multiplying this by that. So that's how you can multiply numbers in Excel. And before you go, please hit the like button. It helps me out so much, and subscribe. I really appreciate that. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.